In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize business card template in Canva. Open your web browser and head to canva.com. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account so you can save your work and access all your designs. On the Canva homepage, use the search bar and type business cards. From the results, switch to the templates tab so you're browsing ready-made designs instead of starting from scratch. Scroll through and look for a style that matches the look you want. Clean and minimal, bold and colorful. Choose what fits your brand. If you want to keep it free, pick a template without the small crown icon. That crown marks pro items. When you found the one you like, click Customize this template to open it in the editor. Let's personalize it. Click the name text and replace it with your own, then update the job title or position so it reflects what you do. Next, swap in your logo. On the left panel, click Uploads, then Upload Files, and select your logo from your device. After it finishes uploading, drag the logo onto the placeholder on the card to replace the existing one. If it doesn't snap in, delete the old logo first and position yours where it needs to go. Update the company or business name, then edit the contact details. Replace the placeholder email with your professional email, the contact number with your business phone, and the location with your city or address if you include it. You can also add your website or a short URL. Keep the text concise and make sure each line is easy to read. Most templates include a backside. Use the page thumbnails to switch to the back, then change the logo and company name there as well so both sides match. If you want a different color scheme, click the background of the card. The color panel will open. Click the color tile, then scroll to pick a preset or enter your brand color. Aim for strong contrast so text stays legible. To refine the typography, click any text box, open the font menu at the top, and scroll to select a font that suits your brand. Try to stick to one or two complementary fonts for a polished look. Adjust size, spacing, and alignment until everything feels balanced. That's it. Your business card template is now customized in Canva. Canva saves changes automatically, so you can come back anytime to tweak the design or duplicate it for team members. Happy designing!